Hey there, everybody. It's Steve Chase from Sequential Solutions, and today I learned that Google Sheets has new slicers coming out. So I jumped right on and looked into my Google Sheets and discovered, oh no, I don't have them yet. So it is a feature that's getting rolled out gradually. So I will follow up with another video when I have the ability to demo it to show you how slicers work in Google Sheets. But in the time being, let me go ahead and share with our audience how slicers work in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so basically a slicer is a filter command where you can filter out a variety of different data sets and so forth. The key having good data is have a good header and then row after row of data, don't have any blank rows. When you're ready to analyze your data, however you import it into Excel, start with a pivot table. So I'm going to begin by selecting one cell within a group of cells that's all contained contiguous data. And in Excel, I would select Insert Pivot Table. Okay, this is going to put me in a new worksheet, and I'll go with the defaults there and say OK. Now, over on the side is my field list. So I need to make a selection of what I would like to put in the rows, columns if necessary, optional, and the values. Okay, so if I just check date or drag date down below, it's going to bring in it automatically grouping by months there, which is nice. Older versions of Excel, you would have had to right-click and group it to get that. All right, now what we're going to do is I'm going to drag the amount into the values. And one second, I don't think I'm sharing my screen. Okay, I'm good. I was the whole time. Okay. All right, so what we're looking at right now is how much money we spent per month for the data set there. So January and so forth and so forth. So what would be great now is I want to see how much money we spent in advertising for January. So that's what I'm going to do here. Now, I'm going to go back to the pivot table, and I'm going to add a slicer. So the slicer is available on the pivot table Analyze tab. And I got to make sure that you're inside your pivot table, because if you're outside in here, you won't see it. So you got to be inside pivot table analyzer, and then we'll select the Insert Slicer button right there. Okay, sorry about that. I am good to go here. I just hit a keyboard shortcut that popped up, Control-1 popped up the format cells. I was trying to have zoom in, but anyways, here's what I get when I click Insert Slicer. So I'm going to select the category. All right, now remember I wanted to see advertising. So there's our advertising expenses total up by the month there. Now, as you can see, I can go in and play around with these here to see everything that's going on here. Now, software, for example, training, rent. So look at that, just with one key insight, I can see rent, we were at $725 a month, and all of a sudden, November is $1,400. So what's up with that? I don't know. So it could be that it just got posted, this was supposed to be December, got posted early. You just have the ability to see these slicers can really bring on information here. So what would be awesome is I would like the ability to see all of my categories in this group here. So no problem. I'm going to go up to the slicers and add a column or two. Make the height bigger here. So I can really have fun with that. I can change the color if I like. Now, everything I select will be in harmony with my data. So life's good there. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So that's how you do slicers in Microsoft Excel. stay tuned for my next video on how to do slicers in Google Sheets. Once it's available on my end, I'll be able to show you how to do it. Thanks for watching.